3 certainties in life: death, taxes, and waking up for school. Looking like your pillow personally fought your hair all night. One side is flat. The other side is giving electricity. And somehow, the bus arrives in exactly 10 minutes. So today, I'm giving you 15 cute, easy school hairstyles for 15 very specific moods. Because sometimes, you want to look put together, even when your life absolutely is not. Style 1. High ponytail. First up, a total classic, the clean, polished high ponytail. Just brush everything straight up, no bumps allowed, and smooth down those flyaways for that ultra clean look. Honestly, it's perfect for gym days, keeps your hair completely out of your face, and gives an instant, snatched vibe. Style 2. Low double braids. Part your hair right down the middle and split it into 2 low braids. Gently pulling at the sides of the braids makes them look thicker and more relaxed. These are incredibly durable and will stay neat all day long, through classes and outdoor activities. Style 3. Basic half up. Simply grab the top section of your hair and tie it back loosely with a hair tie. Pull out a few soft strands around your ears to frame your face. It's very easy to do, looks effortless, and keeps your hair out of your eyes while you're taking notes. Style 4. French braid. Start braiding right from the top of your head, adding hair as you go down into one clean braid straight down the back. It's a timeless, chic style that is completely secure, so it stays perfectly in place from morning until dismissal. Style 5. Curly pineapple. For my curly hair girls, gather all of your natural texture right at the top of your head and secure it loosely. Let the curls cascade forward over your forehead like a fluffy fringe. It's super comfortable and keeps your natural curls looking defined and aesthetic. Style 6. Twisted ponytail. Put your hair into a regular low ponytail. Then, right above the hair tie, split a small gap in your hair and flip the whole ponytail inward through that gap. It takes literally 5 seconds to do, but it adds a beautifully detailed twist to a standard style. Style 7. Headband style. Leave your hair completely down. Grab a simple, thick headband and slide it right onto your hairline, letting your front layers fall naturally in front of it. This manages any morning frizz instantly and gives you a very classic, put-together look. Style 8. Side ponytail. Simply sweep your hair over to one side and tie it into a loose ponytail right behind your ear. If you are bored of your usual daily routine, this is a super quick, playful way to switch things up with zero extra effort. Style 9. Scrunchie ponytail. Flip your head upside down, gather your hair into a high ponytail, and secure it with a large, soft scrunchie. Choosing a colorful or textured scrunchie adds a nice pop of style to a basic ponytail and keeps the look fun and bright. Style 10. Dutch braids. Cross the strands under each other instead of over as you braid down both sides of your head. This makes the braids sit flat, very defined, and completely secure against your head so they will not budge during the day. Style 11. Hair bow style. Gather the top half of your hair into a ponytail, but on the final loop of the hair tie, leave it in a small bun. Split that bun into 2 equal halves and pin them down with bobby pins. Take a small strand from the bottom tail, wrap it up through the center to cover the elastic, and pin it. This creates a beautiful bow shape using your own hair. Style 12. Low bun. Middle part your hair, brush everything back smoothly, and wrap it into a tight, neat low bun at the nape of your neck. This sleek look is very elegant, looks instantly professional, and is perfect for presentation days or when you want a very clean aesthetic. Style 13. Space buns. Put your hair into 2 high pigtails and twist them into loose buns on top of your head. Secure them with elastics and gently tug at the sides to make them look fluffy and relaxed. It is a very cute, creative style that adds a lot of personality. Style 14. Overnight waves. Braid your hair loosely right before going to bed. When you wake up in the morning, simply take the braids out and shake your hair loose with your fingers, no brushing required. This gives you beautiful, casual, tousled waves with zero morning effort. Style 15. Crown braid. Finally, braid a small section of hair from above each ear. Pull both braids across the top of your head like a headband and pin them down securely with bobby pins. It gives a very sweet, soft, and romantic vibe to finish off the week. And there you have it, 15 hairstyles for 15 different moods to make your school mornings a lot easier. Comment below and let me know which style is your favorite to wear to class. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck out there today. And remember, even if you fail your math quiz, at least your hair passed the vibe check.